Hello there, welcome to Exness full trading course, and in this course you will learn how you can trade with Exness mobile app. It's so simple and I have explained it in a beginner way so you will understand irrespective of whether you know how to trade. So when you log in or when you sign up, after complete sign up you should be able to land on this dashboard. Here is where you will land, but you will not be able to see this one because you have not created an MT5 trading account on the app. So what you need to do is just click on this add and then you will create one. So here I just click on it and then I will open a demo account. So when you are choosing, you just choose a standard respective of how much you want to deposit here. So if you can deposit this amount of money, then choose that account so that you have good spreads, then also unlimited leverage. Now what I want to do is choose this standard and then I'll go with the demo, because if you are new here you have to learn something. So that is what I recommend for everyone who is starting this trading journey. So you can also choose MT4, which is not supported in the app. This app, I mean, when you choose MT5, you can still trade on this Exness app, which I want to do because if you are a beginner, then you may not be able to understand MT5 app very well. But if you understand it, you can proceed with MT4 or MT5, whichever the one that you choose. Now here I continue and then I will set the password. Here I just set a random password because some people may try to I'll try to just a random number. Now that is my password, and you can see I have a demo account here which I can use to practice. And if I want to change the accounts, you can create many accounts as you want. You see we have an arrow here which you can use to change your account. So we have real and demo here, and the ones that you have archived you can still restore them. So after some time they will just archive the accounts that you are not using. So when you need them back, you just restore them. Now here, when I want to deposit, I'll just click on deposit, and then this is a demo account. I can just update this balance. So a demo account, you cannot withdraw this money. This is just a virtual currency, the ones that you use to learn. Now here I can now use it to trade. So the account that is here is the one that you use to trade. For example, if I change to this one, you'll see, let me change first. If I change to this one, when I place a trade on this market, then this account is the one that I'll be using to trade. And then if I also change, I want to change and use this one. Now here we have trades that are open and closed trades, all those pending. We have open, pending and closed. So let us go first to those markets, and I will show you how you can place your first trade. So here I've just open these two between Bitcoin and Ethereum, because the other pairs, these options, the ones that you see, this gold, euro, USD, all those are closed now because these are weekend. Now I just open this one and you can see this is the chart. So here what I can see, we have something here just below here. The first one is a chart. When you see this one, this is the chart. I can just change it whenever I want. So let me open it and you can see. So here I can choose between candles, a line, whichever works for me, but I prefer candles. Now I just choose candles, and then we have the time interval. The best one is 5 minutes. Now I want to open it and then choose 5 minutes. Then I can just check if I want my trade to run for a long time, then I'll use a longer time frame so that I can see how the market is trending. As you can see, I'm using a 4-hour time frame. So here I can just see how the market, in which direction the market is going, and then I can also use 1 month if I want to invest in this market. So you can also choose that you want to invest in this market, and then you just reduce your leverage, and then after that you can place your trade. Now what I want to show you, we have here, these are indicators for those who like indicators, but these are just basic indicators. We don't have all the indicators here. So if you want to see all, then you just tap on the more, and then you will go to the trading view terminal. Now that is not what I want. This is just for those who don't want complicated trading. Now here, what I can do, if I want to place a trade, then we have 2 buttons just below here. You can see them. Here we have sell and buy. Sell means that you bet that this market will be going up, and the more it goes up, the more you will get profit. Then buy means that sell means that the market will be going down. So when the market goes down, then you make profit, but when it opposes what you predicted, then you will be making a loss. And then when that loss is equal to your balance, then that trade will be closed, and that is what we call you have blown your account. That is what they call. Now here we have the buy button. The buy means that you are predicting this market is going up, and when it opposes you, then you also be on a loss, and then it can also reverse, and then you come back to profit depending on how the market is behaving. And here we have 2 prices. You can see we have a red one, and then we have a blue one. Now this blue one is the buy price, and this red one is the sell price. Now if you decide to place a sell order, when you decide to sell, then you are, let me show you. If I sell, there's a place where that sell trade will be executed, and it will be executed on the red price. That is the sell price. If I decide to buy, it will be executed on that blue one. Now I want to choose that one, buy. You can see they are all moving together. Now we have also the volume here. You can see it just here where I want to place here. This is just the same as leverage. The more I add it, the more risk I can get, or the more profit I can get. So it will depend with how much or how long you want to stay in that market. So you can decide according to how much you want to stay there. Now the next thing I want to show you is that here we have these 3 buttons, 3 dots here. here you can just see your trading calculator, where you can calculate the profit or loss you can get out of a market. So here you can use it to see all that. Then here we have alerts. You can create an alert so that you'll be notified when the market reaches a certain point. And also we have the settings here. This you can choose which appears on that chart. Then also I want to show you here, you can change the colors, the chart, or whatever. And also we have the menu, you can change the order. Then we have down just below here, we have the percentages. So this is just a prediction of where the market is going. So when you see like here we have 61%, it is meaning that they are predicting that the market will be, it has a higher chance of going, a 61% chance of going up. So you can also use that one to bet on that market. Now here we also have something that I have seen, this HMR. These are the news that can affect the market, so you need to be checking them out. So you just tap on it and then you will see which news may affect this market. And then we have when those bars are red, it means that it has a higher chance of affecting this market, and we can go and see some details there. So here on the inside, it is just where I have tapped. So on the inside, you can see where we have the upcoming events. You just tap on the show more, and then we can see on the impact. So the impact, as I was saying, these three bars, you can see the impact on the market. So here you can see according to the countries. So here we have New Zealand. So when you're trading a New Zealand currency and the impact is high, then you know you have to be careful. And then we have here the China currency. You also have to be careful with that, as the impact is very high. Here you can choose the countries that you want to see. So here I'll just deselect all, and then I choose United States. So let me deselect all and select this one. That is okay. So I'll see only one country. So here you can see that I am seeing only one country and when this will be happening. So you can see there. So I have to be prepared with that. I don't need to be making trade at that time. Also here, if you don't have an experience in trading, you can follow these trading signals. You just open it and then you look for a trading signal that is favoring you. So here I just open this Euro USD and I see this prediction. So here I can just go back and place a trade according to this signal. The way I see, they are predicting that it will go up by 13th September. So depending on the date, you just look at it and then you see. So I want to be in this trading signal. Most of them will not work, but others will work. So I just need to be opening those new signals and then try to execute some trades like this one. I just go there. Let's see, this is Ethereum versus USD. Now here I can use just another currency. So Ethereum is predicted to be going up. So what I need to go, I just go back to trade and then I'll go to Ethereum, and here I want just to be buying. As you can see, just tap on buy, change your volume. This is the risk that you are willing to take. So I just go with 0.2 and then I'll confirm. Now after confirming, you can see that the trade is here already. What I can also do is that I can go and modify that trade. So let me go there and then I can modify that trade. Just go to accounts just below here, and then here just you can see that trade. I can just tap on it and we'll see it. I can view it on chart. Also you can see I can set take profit and take loss all here. After that I can view it on chart, or I can close the order. So I just open it so that we can see it. Here I can set take profit and take stop loss just on the chart, which is more better than the other one. So here what I can do, just tap on that take profit here, you can see it here. So I just tap on it, and then there's somewhere where I can move it. When you see this line, this blue line, I can move it up or down. Now what I need to do is just hold on it, and then it will be moving. I want to move it. Let me zoom in so that we can see. That is enough. I just want that one. Now let me move there. That is enough. And I will do also that with stop loss. I just add it and then I move it. You can also hold on the sides. Just hold here and then you move on it. You move with it to where you want it. And after that, I just confirm it. That's it. That is enough for me. Now you can see that I have set take profit and stop loss just here where I see everything, and this is just better more than the other ones. So I can leave this trade to run, or if I'm not interested with it, I just go and close it. So you can see here on the accounts, just here you can see it, and then you open it and close the order. Here you can see we have close order. I just tap it and then confirm. That way I have closed. And then here on the history we have the closed. Just tap on them and then you can see them there. So this is a tutorial that I think has helped you to understand everything here. And if you want to withdraw your money, it's so simple. Just tap there and you will withdraw your money. You can also delete an account if you want to, but for me that is not what I want to do. So thanks for watching. You can also copy trade if you want to. I have made a video on that and I will be linking it in the description. So comment if you have a problem or if this helped you. Just like and subscribe. See you in the next video.